Hello there. Today I'm going to talk about how you can manage your order page using the AppMaker dashboard. Go to settings in the AppMaker dashboard and then click on orders. This is where you can manage and control all the options that you want to be visible in the orders page. The first being that once an order is made, if you want to send a push notification to your customer telling them about the status of the order, so you can either enable or disable it. Now, the push notification can contain saying that congratulations, the order has been made, or the order is in the processing state now, or the order has been shipped now, etc. The second option is for the FCM server key, where it is basically used for sending push notifications to the customers. This FCM server key is obtained from the Firebase, which you can refer to another video on how to set up push notification for your app. Third is show order notes, where you can select if you want to show or not show. This can be so basically what order notes is that when an order is made in the WordPress dashboard, you can see that on in any order on the right side of the screen you can see some order notes here, and this is exactly what you can see in the app as well. So when you click on the track on tracking your order, so this is how you can track the order by seeing all these messages in the order page. So you can decide if you want to show order notes or not to your customers. The fourth is if you want to show an order number or an order ID. If you want an order number, just click on yes, or if you want order ID, just click on no, and that will be showcased in the app to your customers. Fifth is enable repeat order. So say for example, if a customer has created an order and if he wants to purchase the uh, same product again later on, he can just go to the orders and then he'll get an option of adding it to the cart and then making the purchase again. So you can enable it if you want, or if you don't want as well, you can just put in as no. Then the fifth option is to see if you want to show your orders page in web view like your website. So you can either enable it or disable it as per your wish, or if you want to show the order page in the native app format that we have created, you can do that as well and put it as disabled. The final is if you want to show payment in the order page. So if the payment has not been successful and if the customer wants to make a payment later on, they can just go to the order page and there'll be a make payment option at the bottom. So if you want to show the payment in the order page, you can just enable it as yes. And these are a couple of options that can help you manage and control your orders page using the AppMaker dashboard. Once done, just click on save and all these changes will be saved in real time. Thank you.